Hey, what's up everyone? We've got some juicy news about the DJI Neo drone that's coming out real soon. According to drone insider Jasper Ellens, mark August 29, 2024 on your calendars because that's when this little guy is supposed to drop. Jasper shared the scoop on X, along with some new pics that give us a pretty good look at the drone and its accessories. So, the DJI Neo is looking like a compact, sleek drone with 4 propellers that are tucked inside protective guards. It's mostly white, and honestly, it's kind of got that cool but safe vibe going on. You'll have 2 options when it comes to buying this thing: the base model and the Fly More combo. If you're all about getting extra stuff, the Fly More combo's for you. It looks like it'll come with extra batteries and the new DJI RC-N3 remote controller. So, more flight time and better control? Yes, please. Here's something interesting. Jasper also mentioned that a German rental company already has the DJI Neo listed for pre-order starting August 27th. So, who knows? We might see this drone a bit earlier than we thought. The Neo's small size and those protective guards make it seem like it's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to fly indoors without stressing about crashes. It could be a great entry-level drone or just something fun and safe to mess around with. With the release date just around the corner, what are you hoping to see in the DJI Neo? Think it's gonna be worth the hype? Let's chat about it in the comments. And hey, if you're into drones, hit that subscribe button because we've got more cool stuff coming your way. Catch you in the next one.